Hello, Shaunda dolls. Thank you for stopping by here by Shaunda TV. It's me, Shaunda, and today I'm presenting 4C Wakanda hair, throwing it into a real sleek Waikiki ponytail. But first, I'm going to add this Shine Bliss Serum by STYLIST Hair Care. I'm going to add this, and then I'm going to get to blow drying it straight so I can flat iron it. Ooh, her shrinkage is real. This is some Wakanda hair. It's soft, but it is tight. Woo! So now that I got it all blow dried out, I want to add a little weight to it so it'll be easy for me to pull it back into a ponytail. So this is my STYLIST Hair Care Total Perfection Beeswax. I'm just going to rub it all over her hair throughout the inside, and then I'm going to proceed to flat iron it. So I'm not really giving her a hard flat iron. I'm just gonna, this isn't a silk press I'm giving her. I'm just getting it straight enough so I can put it into a nice sleek ponytail. I still want it to be a little tad bit wavy because the hair that I'm applying is very wavy. Y'all do know that these are the best flat irons in the world right now, right? Oh, I'm just saying. Okay. Oh. So this is the last swipe of flat ironing, and I'm about to start molding this hair into a sleek ponytail. Now look at that. She got baby hair. Y'all seen how it looked in the beginning of the video. Y'all seen them tight curls. Look at that now. Nice and sleek baby hairs laying down. So I'm just going to curl it with the curling iron so I can form a little curl, like a little C on her sideburn. See? And it just stays just like that. Voila. So now we're getting ready to apply the STYLIST Hair Care Moroccan Texturing Cream. It's a light edge control. I'm going to add this to her hair to help maintain the sleekness and brush it down and mold it down. So once the edge control dries, everything will be put in place. But I'm going to also cap it off with a little bit of Got2B Glued blasting spray. I think that's what you call it. It's this, you know, this stuff right here, the spray. So I'm just going to spray that on because she has a little breakage at the top of her hair. And we want to nail this hair down so it doesn't go anywhere. I'm just going to keep brushing it until it gets smooth and forms inside of her ponytail. Just use my fine tooth comb to rake every strand of hair in. And you notice I'm not lifting up on my, is that my right hand? My left hand. That's my left hand, y'all. So I'm not lifting up on my left hand. I'm keeping that hand smooth down to her hair. See? And see that little bitty piece right there? That's my problem. So I'm going to nail that down and hold it down, blend it in, comb it all together so that everything is aligned. And I'm going to spray more Got2B Glued blasting spray on it. And then I'm going to blow dry it and mold it so that it'll be stuck in place. Look at that ponytail, y'all. That's how you know a ponytail is nice and even and sleek, because the shine, y'all see that shine? It's going all up in one straight line. It's not a lumpy line. That's how you know. That's how you know. So because she doesn't plan on keeping this ponytail in for dear life, we're going to use the hairpin method to apply this Jamaican ripple hair. This hair was only $22, y'all. It's so pretty. This hair is so pretty. It's, I don't know if it's synthetic or what. It says human hair, but anywho, I'm using these hairpins. I'm only going to use about 6 of them in her hair. And I'm just going to wrap it around and pin them as I go. Now this pack of hair came with 5 bundles ranging from 22, 20, 18, 16, and 14. Okay, so I only used one so far, and it already looks pretty full. But I'm going to put the 20-inch in now, and I'm only using 2. So I could also do another ponytail or maybe a quick weave with the remaining 3 bundles that were left. Do me a favor, make sure y'all comment below what y'all think about this hair. This hair is so pretty, y'all. I think it's beautiful. I'll leave in the comments or the description box what type of hair this is. Now you see how it's still a little ashy looking in her nape area. Don't worry about that. I'm going to fix that after I finish twisting this ponytail around.
be so sexy. You want it fuller than this, or is this enough? No, I think that's okay. All right.
Well, you see, I just sprayed some Got2B Glued stuff on there, and I take the blow dryer and rub it up into the weft of the ponytail before I do the wraparound. Yes, this is so important. Clean up that nape area, make it look nice and polished. Get the roaches out the kitchen, baby. Why grandma and them call it the kitchen? Okay, where'd they get that from? Crazy. Swear I'm such a nitpicker. Like, I'm a super perfectionist, and it bothers me. Like, just hurry up and finish her hair already. But yeah, so I did spray some more Got2B Glued in that top area where her hair is short, because I don't want any short pieces flying out of her ponytail. So I just sprayed a little bit of that. Now I'm like using my comb to seal it in and smooth it and dry it in. All done. This natural beauty has a sleek ponytail. Look at her. She thinks she cute. She cute. That's my baby. This is my baby Serena, y'all. I've been doing her hair since she was like, I don't know what, 8. She's a grown woman now. She looks so cute. Well, guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you like what you see. Share this video with your friends on Facebook, Instagram, all your social media. Look. Thanks again, ladies and gentlemen, for watching. All products used today were by Elite Hair Care System and Got2B Glued Blasting Spray. Make sure you watch more videos on Hair by Shaunda TV. Be blessed and have a great day.